Your browser is the biggest privacy leak on your device. Every website, every ad network, every tracker you load, it all goes through your browser first. But here's the good news. With the right browser and a few extensions, you can block the majority of tracking, fingerprinting, and data collection in under 10 minutes. In this video, I'll show you the best privacy browser in 2025, the exact extensions to install, and the step-by-step setup that instantly boosts your privacy. When you visit a website, it doesn't just load the page, it loads dozens of trackers, analytics scripts, cookies, fingerprinting tools, ad networks, session identifiers. Some pages load 100+ tracking elements without your knowledge. This builds a complete profile of your habits, your interests, your location, your device, your identity. So your browser choice matters more than almost any other security decision you make. The best privacy-focused browser in 2025 is Mozilla Firefox. Why Firefox? Open source, non-profit, not built on Google's Chromium tracking code, industry-leading anti-fingerprinting technology, strict tracking protection, customizable privacy controls, regular security updates. Firefox also supports essential privacy extensions, which we'll install later. For maximum privacy, start with Firefox. Open Firefox, menu, settings, privacy and security. Change these. Enhanced tracking protection, strict HTTPS-only mode. On, cookies. Delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. Permissions, block autoplay, block camera, block microphone, telemetry, turn everything off. In 2 minutes, your browser becomes significantly harder to track. Install these 5 extensions, no more, no less. Using too many extensions can increase fingerprinting, so keep it lean. 1. uBlock Origin, best-in-class ad blocker. Blocks ads, trackers, malware domains, crypto mining scripts. 2. Privacy Badger, stops third-party trackers that follow you across websites, learns as you browse. 3. HTTPS Everywhere, built-in fallback for older sites, forces secure, encrypted connections. 4. Clear URLs, strips tracking elements, .fbclid, UTM source, etc. from links automatically. 5. Firefox multi-account containers. This is a massive privacy upgrade. It isolates social media, shopping, banking, work into separate browser containers, preventing cross-site tracking. Example: Facebook can't track you when you browse Amazon. Google can't track you across news websites. This is one of the most powerful privacy tools available. Fingerprinting identifies you by screen size, hardware, fonts, time zone, browser version, OS, installed extensions. Firefox has built-in anti-fingerprinting. Turn it on. Settings, privacy, enable resist fingerprinting. This makes your browser blend in with thousands of others. Your search engine collects more data than your browser. Switch to a private search engine. DuckDuckGo balanced, Startpage, Google results without tracking. Brave search, independent index. Avoid, Google, Bing, Yahoo. These engines log everything. Set your default search engine in Firefox. Search, default engine. DNS is your internet phone book, and ISPs track every site you visit. Switch to a private DNS provider. Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Fast plus privacy. Quad 9, 9.9.9.9. Blocks malicious domains. NextDNS, fully customizable privacy. This prevents ISPs from building a browsing profile about you. Privacy isn't about going off-grid, it's about controlling what your browser shares. Quick setup recap. Install Firefox, enable strict tracking protection, add 5 extensions, uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, HTTPS Everywhere, clear URLs, containers, turn on anti-fingerprinting, switch to a private search engine, use private DNS. 10 minutes of setup protects you every time you go.